Okay. Okay. There. So we're gonna have to get our construction tape. Get off the piece from your construction tape thingy. And put it. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So that happened. Yeah, that just happened. Okay. That did not fall. Okay. We'll put our construction tape on our persona right here. And then we cut off the remaining tape. Like that. Stab somebody like a yandere after that. After you stab somebody like a yandere, come back. And you cut the rest of your tape off. And you do it again where there is no tape. And then do the same thing. Then you do it all the way around your badge, front and back. Okay, I thought I heard something and I'm home alone, so I'm like, what the frick? Okay. I'm telephone! Biatch! By the way, this morning I figured out how to basic is a furry. Just putting that out there. There's a video. Yeah, he's a furry. Yeah, how to basic. The dude with the eggs. Yeah, he's a furry. And I'm a furry, obviously. Oh, have you guys seen that new furry Raise? She's like a dino dog or something, and everybody like likes her tail. And she did this one dance, and it was like dinosaurs. Velociraptor. I've been studying dinosaurs for 6 years. So yeah. And then she did this thing from Jurassic Park, and she was like, you should go watch the video. So yeah, I'm Miranda. Yeah. I don't watch Miranda videos. I'm just talking very, very randomly right now while I'm just like working on the furry badge. Almost done. It's almost done. Laminate No. Okay. I'm going to do my impression of Markiplier. Okay, here's Markiplier. Hold on. Well, hello everybody. My name is Markiplier. Hold on. Why, hello everybody, my name is Markiplier, and today we are playing Sister's Location. Oh, but there's no numbers. Why do I want Dancy Pants to get me? Ah! My name is Donald Trump. Konnichiwa. Jesus. McDonald's chicken nuggets about to slay. George Clooney is my something. I dropped my pens again. Hold on. Okay. Oh crap, my face. My face! My beautiful. Okay, hi. Okay. So, after you're done, I am obviously not done. So when you're done laminating, you're gonna take your hole puncher and go straight through it like this. Oh, I actually did it. Just kidding. See, so you got it laminated. Now you're gonna get some more construction tape. You clip it out, and you go like that. gonna have it hanging right there. Yeah. And then you're gonna get another piece. Monkeys. And then you're gonna put it on the other side of your badge. This was supposed to be a badge, but now it's just like this piece of paper. What the frick? What the frick is happening? Okay, so see that right there? That's okay. You can cut that off. Yeah. Okay. You're gonna get your hole puncher. Put it right in where the tape is, and then with your animal strength, which I clearly don't have, hole punch, and then get your hole puncher stuck just like this. Alright, after you're done hole punching, you got it like that, you can cut, and then you can shape your piece into any way you want, and then badge. Drop the badge. Drop the badge. Okay. Sorry. So, George Clooney's my baby dad.